The Challenge Machinery Titan 200 hydraulic paper cutters bridge the gap for digital, on-demand, and in-plant printers. A combination of solid steel, cast iron, and tool-grade aluminum construction serves as the foundation for consistent and accurate cutting. The back gauge with floating fingers ensures pages cannot get stuck underneath, while the bright red LED cutting line shows you exactly where the blade will hit your stack. The Titan 200 features swift back gauge positioning and a table slot closure device. A monitored knife safety latch prevents blade drifting, keeping your operator safe and your cut accurate. 2 models are available, either with a Category 4 light beam safety curtain or a tilt shield safety cover. Programming the Titan 200 is simple for even novice operators, as the intuitive design walks you through the process. It can store up to 99 program sets with up to 9,801 total cutting positions. It features a manual foot clamp and will cut through up to a 3 1/4 inch thick stack, as well as cut pages up to 20 inches long. Made in the USA, the powerful Titan 200 cutter is designed to meet the speed, accuracy, and efficiency demands of today's digital and in-plant print providers. It meets the toughest safety standards in the industry and features UL and CE certifications. For more information on the Titan 200, visit Binding101.com or call the number on your screen.